I tell my people to stay safe, 'cause tomorrow is never promised. Watched too many die in my lifetime. That's why I live like each day is my last, 'cause tomorrow's never promised to us. I appreciate for the things I've been blessed with. Never been an ungrateful bitch, always been humbled. Lower your voice and watch how you approach me, 'cause I go off by body language and won't hesitate. Sweet yet sour then spicy once you make me go through the motions. We're trying to work shit out with you. Don't make me work hard, especially if you were the one who fucked up with me, not me who fucked up with you. I can throw it back and ride it while you be the driver. Beep, beep, zoom past these lights and streets in the night. Outrunning the chasers in our own matrix. We be dodging all that smoke. People be gaslighting out while they're choking on their own ignorance. Not trying to die without being able to make sure my babies make it in this life. I'd be freezing around people with demons, let alone my own that I've been fighting. Trying to drag me down, not understanding I'll take you down with me if you take a part in my demise. Not trying to hear it if I gotta take you to the afterlife with me. Trust me, I most definitely will. I ain't going down without a fight. Spitting out verses you ain't used to hearing yet. There's a couple bodies on me that I regret. Touching me never more than the fingers on one hand. Not like these others, females busting open did these streets with a different dick every night. I can throw it back and ride it while you be the driver. Beep, beep, zoom past these lights and streets in the night. Outrunning the chasers in our own matrix. We be dodging all that smoke. People be gaslighting out while they're choking on their own ignorance. Don't claim you associate with me if you out here disrespecting me behind my back. Promise you what comes around goes around. Just like there's 50 shades of gray, there's 50 shades of frenemies. I don't believe shit without action. It takes a lot to feel connected to anyone. I'm alone by choice, not 'cause I'm scared to be alone. They think I need them when truthfully they need me. It's alright, baby, you're not the first to not see what you got at your side. I'm not cocky, just honest. I'm real pretty little thing, so sad if I can't tell. I'm diamond in a hard place. It's okay, 'cause I can shine myself out of that hard place. I can throw it back and ride it while you be the driver. Beep, beep, zoom past these lights and streets in the night. Outrunning the chasers in our own matrix. We be dodging all that smoke. People be gaslighting out while they're choking on their own inner ignorance.